All right, family, so we're about to head over to this car meet in Daly City, California. So we're gonna get headed over there now. All right, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Best Buy to get a new camera mount. Can't find my mount, so we're gonna head in here and get a new one. So we're headed into Best Buy to pick up a new camera mount. I don't know what the hell happened to my other one, but it's gone. So I gotta pick up another one because my camera keeps falling while I'm driving, and that's just not gonna cut it. So let's jump in here and get this camera mount, and then we'll get back on the road. Let's see here. No, they got one. Ah, there it is. Right there. All right, let's get out of here. All right. Yeah, I got to take my steering wheel everywhere I go. Can I get you over here? What's that?
Your car's out with me. I've seen the company.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful car, man.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Do you need me to help out with anything?
Yeah, I can pay for this back here, right?
But yeah, I see you coming in. That's just
Yeah. Thank you. You a car guy?
Yeah, I got I did a Miata, and then I've done an LS 400.
Okay, nice.
That's badass out
The Lexus LS.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, check out my channel, man.
Yeah, for sure.
There's Brett Media.
Brett Media?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Brett Space Media on YouTube.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
All right, so we got our camera mount. I got it set up here on the windshield. So that should keep us from bouncing around on camera too much when we're going down the road. I think I'm going to close the windshield too, see, because the windshield's open, so I don't get as much wind noise. So I'll try to get some rolling shots going down the road, and then we'll head over to the car meet. All right, so let's get going. See you guys when we get there. Like it started raining on us in San Francisco, like as soon as we got on the Bay Bridge. Got a little sketchy because my tires are bald, so not an ideal situation. We're going to try to limp over to the show. I'm not really sure what route, but I may get off the freeway and just take the surface streets. But I don't know if this show is going to be rained out or not. We'll still get there and see if we can't find some cars. But I gotta drive careful in this rain. It's just super sketchy. Alright, so I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm in a better spot. But it is raining like crazy here in Frisco. So yeah, I'll come back when we get to a better spot. Alright. Tons of traffic too, but that's okay. I want to drive slow anyways because my tires, so that's perfect that there's traffic. That way I can stay on the freeway and go slow. Man, I hope this meet is still happening. So we still got to get to Daly City, and it might not be raining there. But I am definitely going a different route home. So, looks like we found the spot. I see a lot of cars, so I'm just going to follow them. Looks like everybody's going into a parking garage, so that's cool. Must not be their first rodeo. They got a spot with a roof. Follow these cats in here. Seems like there's going to be a lot of cars. There's still hella people pulling in. Hopefully they don't go all the way up to the roof. sure they're going to stay underneath. So I cleaned the windshield off. Hopefully we can see better out the camera. So we'll continue up until we get to where everyone's at. But man, I had to clear that camera off. The windshield was just full of water. Going here. So we're here, guys. Let's walk around, see who's here. I just started, so it's brand new, but y'all gotta get that subscriber rate up. yeah, that's it. Yeah, so check it out. Like I said, it's brand new. I'm still trying to build it.
No worries, man. I support you, man.
Oh yeah, for sure. You know, there's all this car culture here in the Bay, and you hardly see anybody representing. There's just like a few cats from the Bay really online. So.
I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to do it too.
What's your name?
Trey.
Trey?
Yeah,
Brett.
Brett.
Yeah. Pleased to meet you.
Sure.
So I'm gonna walk around, see if I can go to some of these cars.
Good shit, man.
All right, Trey. So yeah, it looks like there's a lot of fools that turned out. I'm gonna walk around and see what kind of cars showed up. Crowd seems pretty live. Kind of informal, really. Got the Integra, got the cage in it. VTEC. Looks like a B18B. RSX, a lot of Hondas. Got the Hondas rolling deep. Pretty clean setup. Got the underglow. It's lowered. It's nice. I like this. I'm not really huge on Civics or Hondas in general. I mean, I like them. It's not something I'd probably build. But this is clean. This is nice. I like what he's doing here. I like what you're doing here. This is cool. I like this. I like the yellow. I like a splitter. Yeah, that's cool. This looks like the end of it here. I'm gonna start heading back up. See if I can find something else, but get a couple of shots of this Honda. Here though. The Yukon, the Tahoe, the Maserati, Ghibli, the Q50, see. It's kind of dark in here, but hopefully it comes out on camera. Try to get away from this copyright music. Got ours right there. Got the 33 posted up. We'll go over that later. CCSV, the big intercooler. Always tell the VQ engines when they rev up. They have a very distinct sound. People's playing soccer over here, practicing their game. So we're just gonna slide through, see what we see. I see some Merrills over here. SRTs, Merrill. Got the old school 280Z. Supra coming in. Mitsubishi Eclipse. So there's a lot of different kind of cars here. A big variety, but people seem to be moving around like they're leaving. Yeah, hella fools are smashing out. I don't know why, but it looks like everybody's leaving. Like hella fools are leaving. So this might be a short meet. RZ, Nissan 350Z. C5 Corvette, the Stang, oh, we got a Lamborghini sliding through. We'll get this Lamborghini. Got the Lamborghini Huracan coming through, throwing some revs. So, I don't know, people are moving about. Not a lot of people posted up. So, I'm not really sure what's going on with this. People are just keep moving around. I don't see anyone really talking and mingling or socializing or anything like that. There's these alarms that's going off that fools need to shut up, because it's hard to get any good footage with an alarm in the background. But we're gonna walk over here and see if we can't get this Huracan, get away from these alarm sounds. That's super annoying. We'll catch these Supras real quick. Supras in force, representing. Underglow. You know, I see a lot of this underglow, but I don't know if it's for me. Maybe comment below if you think I should put underglow on the 33. So I'll show you what I mean. I wouldn't do multiple colors though. I would do one solid. See the underglow on that one. I don't know, comment below if you think I should put underglow on the 33. Alright, so that's the end of it on this side. There's really not much here. Looks like they chained off the top. No one could get through. So I'm gonna head back down. See if any more cars showed up. I'm gonna head over here and see if maybe they're moving to the outside or something. Back here, but that must just be the floors below us. So we'll head back down the floors below, see if there's more people. I don't know why everybody leaving though. Oh, I like this Beamer. Looks like a M3. That's clean. I like that orange. Yeah, I like that orange. That orange is clean. That's real clean. Woo. Look at that. So we're gonna head down and see if we could see any new cars. But it looks like people are just leaving. Like people posted up for a minute and they're gone now. Look at the wing on this Z. Huge. A lot of Z's, VQs. I guess it's a VQ meet. So that's probably why all the VQs. I think it was a VQ meet, maybe the VQ club or something about a 40K, maybe 40K subscriber party. I don't know. The 33 posted up with all the imports. Man, there's no light though. You can't get nothing here. No lighting. Comment below, but I think that yellow Honda, that Civic, is the best one here. I mean, maybe not the most expensive because there's a Huracan, but I think it's the best one here out of the tuners. Just looks wise, only aesthetically. I'm not talking engines. I don't know anything about what they got in it, but I think it's the cleanest one anyways. Look at this old one. It's like a Toyota Corona or something. Old Cressida. I don't know what it is. Oh, it is a Cressida. I got it. That was a Corona, but yeah, it's a Cressida. I don't know. So there's not really much going on here. I might bounce pretty soon. Looks like it stopped raining. Well, no, it's drizzling. It's still drizzling down there, but I don't know. Maybe head down to the East Bay. I'll hang out here for a few minutes, see if anybody else shows up, but it seems like everyone kind of leaving. They're bouncing. So, I don't know. I'll chill out for a little bit longer until I dip it. I'm gonna shoot a little of the my 33 too, see if I can get some pictures. BRZ. Oh, there's a Skyline in here, or excuse me, there's a a GTR here. I didn't see that. That's the Supra. Yeah, I didn't even notice the GTR. It must have snuck in. So yeah, I don't know. It's small. There's not a lot of people here. So yeah, it's clearing out. There's a lot less people here now. I might actually head back and start doing some editing instead. I'll get some shots of the truck. I don't know, I might move it though where I can get more light, but let's see. Let me see if I can get some shots here. Like everybody's about to leave. Maybe I'll wait till everybody leaves and then do my photo shoot in here. Or maybe I'll find another spot with a little better lighting. The GTR. Again, I don't know how I didn't see this GTR the first time. But no one's really talking. I can't really do any interviews because no one's really socializing like that. So yeah, again, I might head out and just go do some editing. The red Supra. Cops are coming. So we'll go ahead and get out of here. Alright, let's bounce. So yeah, it looks like the cops showed up. So we're all trying to get out of here. We got the cops right behind us. I don't know if you see that back there, but they're shooing us away, so we're going to head out. I'll see if they post up somewhere else, but other than that, we may head home and just do some editing. Yeah, it was kind of a lame meet anyway. There wasn't anyone really talking. You know, there's no way I was going to get any interviews. So that's unfortunate. All right, I'm going to set the camera up on the dash. One last look at the popo. Alright, we're out. I'm sure there's more at the end of the garage when we get to the bottom anyways. I knew it. There would be more. Just kind of dispersed, and no one's really grouping anywhere that I can see. So I think I'm gonna head back. I'll try to maybe take a different route though. Stay on the surface streets perhaps, because it's kind of slick out and my tires aren't really that good right now. Alright, get some new tires.
Well, that's the end of another video. But I want to take this time to thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to be notified of my next episodes. Until next time, stay good, family.